crowded room, lessons echo into gloom. Pages worn with ancient lore fall unheard upon the floor. He has walked this path so long, holding truths he knows are strong. Yet the eyes before his own dream of worlds he's never known. Wisdom changes with the day, old words find a fresher way. What was once ignored or dim comes alive when shaped again. He remembers times of old, stories sacred, deep and bold. Still he learns to bend and grow, passing on what hearts can know. New ideas begin to blend, past and present meet as friends. In the moment he can see how the old